Hello and welcome back to the garden. So today is all about cutting that hedge that I've been dreading and moving the trampoline and making a start on a base for the greenhouse. So it's really exciting. It's one of them jobs that I've put off. Top left hand side of the corner, it's lived on neglect. I know I say that a lot, but that really has. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And I forgot to say, guys, so 80% of my viewers are unsubscribed, so stop the video right now and go subscribe, and it'll do me a really big favour, so I really appreciate it. Let's get into it. So I knew I'd be putting 2 steps in it just purely because how thick they are, so I will be reducing it, but that's that. And I've just got to tidy up now. So here for us, bin day on a Monday, so same day as before, but I haven't got a clue what time they come because with our house currently, we live in the countryside, which I absolutely love. But we don't get to see the bin men come down, so we don't know what time it is. So I said to my wife, what time do the bin men come? She's like, I haven't got a clue. Because obviously our front door is quite a little bit away from the house now. Oh. So current view out out the front of our house now. So we feel, not just myself, me and my wife, we feel extremely lucky to have moved out here. I'll tell you the story if anyone's interested. Let me know down below. As to how all this has come about. It's really crazy, but yeah, so we're over the moon. Anyway, back to the garden. Some of you know I've got the back garden, which is tropical, which I'm absolutely loving. Doing everything's really small, but the front garden is going to be a cottage garden. I'll turn you around really quickly. All I've had a chance to do is cut the hedges, mow the lawn. I'll give the lawn a bit of a weed treatment, and because it was just like a field, and it's coming really good actually, but they cut down a lot of trees and shrubs and things like that, and there's just root and rubble everywhere, so it's a case of not being able to plant anything in this garden, which is a shame, but I've got quite a lot to do anyway. Garden. I'll show you really quickly. This is going to be coming up on the channel. For anyone who's interested, this is going to become a cottage garden. And the lawn, I'm really pleased with the lawn because it's doing fantastic considering what it looked like before. I'll put a little photo in now, and you'll see how such a long way it's come. And then we've got like a soak away bit, and I've just got a lot to do, but not concentrating on this right now. That is going to be future videos, which I'm excited about, don't get me wrong, because I like everything gardening. Once I get this greenhouse, then it's going to be like next spring, it's going to be all go. We're going to get some cottage stuff going, continue with the tropical around the back, and I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking and all that sort of good stuff. And I want to know what you guys think about what you would do, because I know you chip in with that sort of thing, and it's absolutely brilliant. Someone come up with purple fence like Craig from Grow Paradise, which I love, and I'd literally been saying to my wife, what about purple, because you won't have black, and I absolutely love that. So please comment down below as to what you guys think, what you would do, and I really appreciate it. It's really great. I've got quite a bit of experience with gardening, but I'm absolutely loving your support. Current view. It doesn't look too bad, does it? And then this bit here, so I'm just going to make a pile for now with the brown bin still being full. Make a pile, pull it out of the way, and hopefully get the trampoline moved. So this channel is all about sort of saving a little bit of money. Now, if I wasn't getting this off like a Facebook marketplace or something like that, normally on there you can kind of like pick up things for free, or things like slabs and blocks. Sometimes people put on there like, if you can come and help us take them up, then you can have them. I'm all up for that. I would do that kind of thing 100%, but I've already got some slabs in the garden which I'm about to sort of dig up, and these will come in really handy. It doesn't need to be anything fancy to be the base of my greenhouse. It's not like it's going to be like a staple part of the garden in regards to like where we're going to sit and things like that. So I'll show you this, and then I'm so unfit. I'll show you this, and then I need to start getting them up, so I need to move them before I can move the trampoline. Quick change of footwear for obvious reasons. Successfully moved into the corner, so I just need to clean this up, bit of a trim, bit of a mow, and then this is where the greenhouse is going. So I'll show you, it's opened up the whole garden from the other angle, so I'll show you what that looks like, and then need to get cracking on this. I'm absolutely knackered now, so I'm going to end it here. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the garden.